The second name is Ogochukwu. So then Jasmine asks, and what does that name mean? So then her ancestors responded, Ogo means favor and Chukwu means God. So together, Ogochukwu means God's favor. Jasmine says she likes that name too. But then she got a little bit more curious. She asked, if I give my daughter the name Ogochukwu, what type of personality traits will that give her? So then her ancestor looked at her and said, that's a great question. Ogochukwu's names give them the power to bring peace and tranquility wherever they go. They have a deep appreciation of nature